folks. This week's video is sponsored by my wallet, which no one has access to, and hopefully can afford to buy more stuff. Because when you're sponsored by yourself, you just use whatever you got. This video is kind of hopefully be cool. It's a what's in the bag video, but I had to buy these because it's for the sandblaster over there. So, without further ado, what's in the bag? Here's the bag. Here's the better lighting, hopefully. There is cast iron parts in here. Let's see. I'm not going to use the electric tools to cut this. There is this little cast iron piece. Its ugly cousin here. Piece. What am I doing with this? Anybody know? I'm not building a furnace. There's this piece. I'm not building those kaboom things either. Too much going on in the world right now, building kaboom stuff. What else? We got another one just in case. One of those. I think I bought too many. I got one of these here. Let's see. I'll see if I remember how to put this together. I'm building a siphon for the bottom of the sandblaster, and on the bottom, I'm planning on putting. I think it's this piece. Or is it this one? Basically, this piece and this piece are going to be screwed together. And I'm going to put an adapter plate in here. So that's going to be screwed on like that. This is going to be held in the bottom. So the sand can go in there. I'm going to grind all that out and put it on the lathe. Then I'm going to go like... Was it like that? Oh boy, did I figure this out? Maybe I screwed this up. Maybe not. Or was it like this? Might have been like this. This on the bottom. This was going to go in here. Right, like this. See? And this was going to go down here, like this. Kind of like that. Where's that? Yeah. This was going to go up here. What this is right here. Go in here like so. So we have this. This is attached to the bottom here. Thing. The sand's going to go down here and get sucked through here, down into here, and out the bottom. Why did we buy a tap? Because I couldn't find one that was smaller. Anything to let air in. Come on, get off there. This little tap right here is going to be put in the top. And basically, I'll just tighten this up a little here so it doesn't fall off. Basically, this is just a suck to open it just a little bit of air in there so when it pulls. This is going to go down in here like so. If I can get it to go in there. Come on. Get in there. Stupid thing. Come on, go. There we go. Kind of, sort of. Alright, that one goes in there. Is it this one? I don't know if this fits or not. I think I bought the wrong size. But anyway, you're going to get the gist in a minute. This goes down like this. This goes on here. And then this is the wrong... Don't get me wrong. This is the wrong size. I need a bigger one. That's why I bought this one right here. The siphon tube, which I realized... See, this is on the bottom. Attached to the bottom of the sandblaster. The sand gets sucked through here to the hose by the compressor hose on the other side, and this lets a little bit of air in so it can suck the air in there also. Will it work? I have no idea. But this is supposed to be, I realized it later on, this should be at least this big to suck the sand in there. So I'm making an adapter, figure out how big that suction hose is later on. Attach the suction hose. Instead of having the siphon tube all the way down in the sandblaster, this is going to be in the sandblaster. I might also get a bigger pipe here, make it a little longer because this sticks out. And I'll probably try to find the small little petcock thing one, and that's how I'm going to make a siphon. It seems a little bit wonky right now, but should work. Should work okay. The one I seen online, they had a 45 degree. I couldn't find the right one, so I'm using what I got. It was a like $10, $20 contraption. 2 of these. That's an extra piece, and basically, see what I'm doing. I'll have a bigger brass one jacked into here, or I'll get a big piece. Problem is, I got to figure out the hose dimension, which I realized, oh yeah, what I was thinking when I bought it was this was the air hose going on it, and I'm like, no, it's not the air hose, it's the siphon tube hose, which is, I don't know, 1/2 inch, maybe 5/8. So I gotta get a new one. So that is for the sandblaster. I know it looks corny, but hey, corny, it's gonna be like that. And right here, like I said, I have to make a little adapter plate, weld it on, so I can screw this down and tighten it. So the sand, this is the bottom of the sandblaster. The sand pours into there, gets sucked right out of here. It has a little bit of, just a little bit of air so it can spindle it out. That's my little thing. Where did I get this ridiculous idea from? The internet, of course. So, yeah, got it from the internet. And that is my plan. What I was saying is, for my device disconnected, if you look on the internet, you'll find all kinds of plans to make new siphon tubes. The siphon tube in my sandblaster was completely rotted out. I'm like, meh, I'm not fixing it. I'm gonna make a new one. So I'm gonna re-weld the bottom, make the little box, put that in there, and probably make a little trough so it goes. I want to make a little trough on the bottom so it lines up with this little hole here. Make it so it fits in there. Just a little upgrade. I have the little cyclone thing, dust collector that I'm going to plug into it. So that should be pretty good. Anyway, thanks for listening to my rant. Don't forget to like, subscribe some videos, watch some more, and thanks for watching. Toodles.